I don't know. I'm literally gonna cry. I'm so happy right now.
This workshop is part of a project funded through the Dallas Education Foundation, their Heart of Teaching grant.
The title of the grant is the Samuell High School Literary Arts Journal. These grant funds are going to help bring in these speakers and then help get this book published.
Pleasant Grove is a sacred neighborhood. It's like Oak Cliff. It's one of the most special places in our city. And when someone like Karen reached out and asked me to be a small part of this big moment, I couldn't say no.
Meeting him, actually seeing an actual poet, it's an opportunity that I don't usually get.
It felt pretty good, you know, because I always wanted to write, you know.
She said somebody's dreams have to come true. It might as well be yours. And I feel like they really believed it.
And it was really inspirational to me, showing that no matter who you are and no matter what background you come from, you can do what you need to do and you can make it in life.
I would like to write my own book, and so I think that the higher writing that I learned tonight would be like an extra experience for me to write.
I learned that to hopefully write stories to make an impact for other people.
I was so proud, and just that they were so willing and eager to share what they said, it was really encouraging for me.
I actually love writing, and it's a way that I like to get my emotions out, and I like letting people understand what I feel on the inside.
With this grant money, I can do more like this for them. They're excited about it, I'm excited about it, and this grant money has done that. That has opened the doors for them, and I'm so grateful.